Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a super handy tooltip component in Figma, the kind that appears when you hover over an element to offer explanations or extra info. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a reusable component you can drop into any of your Figma projects, making your designs more interactive and user-friendly. Whether you're working on a web app, a dashboard, or just about any interface, a well-crafted tooltip can make your designs clearer and way more professional. Let's dive right in. So I already have a simple shape and beside it a little frame with some text inside. This is going to be our tooltip. Think of the shape as the button or icon that needs an explanation, and the frame with text as the message that pops up when users want to know more. First up, we need to turn this tooltip into a component, which, in Figma, just means making it reusable and easier to edit later. Click and drag to select both your shape and the frame with your tooltip text. You want to make sure you've got them both highlighted. Don't miss the text or you'll end up with an incomplete component. Now right-click and choose Create Component. This helps us manage and update the tooltip across your project, so you only have to design it once. Next, we're going to hide the tooltip so it doesn't show by default. In the Layers panel, find the frame with your tooltip text. Click the little eye icon to hide it. You'll see it disappear from your canvas, but don't worry, this is exactly what we want. You want the default look to be clean, with just the icon or shape showing, so users only see the tip when they interact. Now let's make this component interactive with variants. With your component selected, click Add Variant over in the right-hand panel. Variants allow you to build different states, like how something looks resting versus on hover. In this new variant, go to the layers and unhide that tooltip frame and its text. This shows what things look like when someone hovers. Here, where it gets fun, we'll hook up the interaction. Switch over to the Prototype tab up top. You'll notice little connectors appear. Just drag the blue circle from your default state to the variant you created. Over on the right, you'll see interaction details. Set the trigger to while hovering. That tells Figma when to flip to the tooltip view. For action, choose Change to, and for animation, let's go with Smart Animate. Set it to ease out for a smooth reveal and set the duration to about 200 milliseconds. That's just long enough to feel polished, but not so slow that people get impatient. Once that's set up, go over to your Assets panel where all your components live. Find your new tooltip component and drag it into any empty frame in your file to test it out. Click the Preview tab in the top right to open presentation mode. Now when you hover over your icon or shape, your tooltip slides in exactly like it should. If it's a little off, take a moment to tweak your positioning or adjust the timing. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get just right. This bit's all about refining the feel. See how easy that was? Now you've got a flexible, interactive tooltip you can use in all your projects, and you can even customize the colors, shapes, or messages to match your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment below if you have questions or need advice on tweaking your tooltips. And as always, make sure to subscribe for more hands-on Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.